land is full of silver and gold, and treasures that can never be told. They bow to things their fingers have made, but all that glory is about to fade. The horses run and chariots gleam. They're living in a prideful dream, but human hands cannot hold the sky, and every idol is born to die. In the last days, the lofty will fall. The Lord alone will stand over all. The pride of man will bow to the ground when the voice of judgment starts to sound. Go hide in dust, go crawl in the caves, to flee the terror that breaks the waves. The glory of His majesty shines, altering the borders and the lines. In the last days, the lofty will fall. The Lord alone will stand over all. The pride of man will bow to the ground when the voice of judgment starts to sound. For the day of the Lord is coming fast, against the high and the built to last. The cedars of Lebanon will break, the tallest mountains will start to shake. The ships of Tarshish will sink in the deep. The dreams of power will put them to sleep. The fortresses and towers will yield to the silent wind in an empty field. In the last days, the lofty will fall. The Lord alone will stand over all. The pride of man will bow to the ground when the voice of judgment starts to sound. Stop trusting in man, who is only breath, whose life is fleeting and walks with death. The idols vanish, the shadows flee. The Lord alone in majesty